right here. It's a good method because all I gotta do is go super slow. Go super slow, and I'm about to beat it. Let's go. Come on. Beat the game. I beat the game. Let's go. I tricked him. Let's go. I tricked him. What the fuck? Here come Miss Joseph. Yup, I tricked him again. Let's go. Come on. I beat it. Oh my gosh, bro. I beat it.
Green light.
My mom is kind of homeless.
Green light.
Please, I need this.
Green light.
Oh my god. Why is my hacks not working? Teleport up. Fuck it.